Is it me, or does anyone else declutter during the holidays? Getting rid of the clothes first, and whatever I part with will be just such a relief. It's only the beginning. I'm tired. It feels cold. Is it me, or does anyone else declutter during the holidays? That's what we're doing today. Clothes in particular, and anything else I have the energy for. So without further ado, for this particular day of Vlogmas, I won't hold you any longer. Come on. As part of the first step of my decluttering process, I'm going through my clothes first. So for the last couple of days or so, I have been washing a couple loads of clothes, which you guys see here, and it's now time to fold them. I figured clothes would be easier just because that's one thing I feel like, at least in my opinion, that kind of gets accumulated pretty quickly. And you can only wear so many clothes in a day. Getting rid of the clothes first, and whatever I part with will be just such a relief. Let's get the fold in. I'm making piles as I fold, one for shirts, one for dresses that you guys just saw, and for pants, anything else miscellaneous that isn't a shirt or pants. This is it's a tube dress, but I wear it as a really long flowy skirt. I love dual purpose items as far as clothing too. This was basically the theme, what I'm about to show you, for my birthday. So it says Queen. I'll flip the screen for you guys to see it. I think of me decluttering, whether I'm starting with the clothes or whether I was starting with something else. I feel like decluttering is a way of just making room for anything new that I may get, and not just Christmas and beyond. People do spring cleaning, but I've not heard of holiday cleaning, like winter cleaning, like spring cleaning, get rid of some things. Okay, so we have a dress here, and I guess you could say this is like African print. For those of my African brothers and sisters in the squad, let me know if any of this print is African, or maybe I mainly like the embroidery that's around it. What I'm going to take and do is fold this backwards and then do the rest.
We've been stimulated by heaven. Heaven is moving us.
I have a few pieces in these pile of clothes that I'm folding that are from Shein. This being one of many, and the Queen t-shirt that you guys saw me fold up earlier. Thumbs up if you love Shein, or how you pronounce it. It'll make it a whole lot easier for me if I categorize it, so that way when I'm putting things back in their place where they belong, in their respective places, bathroom and kitchen, I don't have a mess going. All right, so as you can see, we are done. So I am going to sanitize this couch and call it a night. So out of all these clothes, these are the ones with the belts that I'm going to keep. And this is what I have to get rid of. And these pants are too tight. It's only the beginning. It feels cold because it's still a little damp, but I'm going to recharge. Talk to you guys later for the next step of our preparation for Christmas. Until next time, and until the next video.